You clearly love lassis, or you want to love lassis, and this simple recipe will take that amazing concept of this yogurt based drink and elevate it to make it even better. I'm using some pistachios in this recipe along with ground saffron, and the yogurt is the most essential part of this recipe. But before I get to that, I'm gonna heat my milk, about a quarter cup, in the microwave and add saffron powder in there. Let that just steep. It's gonna color the milk and become really nice and almost orangish. Now don't use Greek yogurt ever for this recipe. It will not be good. Either use Indian yogurt or dahi. You'll always get that at the regular grocery stores, or try it with this Balkan style yogurt. I prefer this over even dahi or the Indian style just because of how thick and nostalgic it is to have this, because it tastes so similar to the yogurt I had made from home while I was a kid. The yogurt is in along with most of the saffron milk mixture, and then I'm just putting in some cane sugar in there, a little bit of ground cardamom, and just for fragrance, some rose water. Now you can pulse it slowly to have a more textured finish to the lassi, but you can go faster if you want it to be much smoother and airier. I'm going to lightly smash the pistachios while this is happening. Couple of ice cubes, a quick pour of the lassi into your serving glasses, and now just top it off with the rest of that saffron milk mixture from earlier. It's going to give you some nice patterns that's going to float on the top, and then you can add in your pistachios which you prepared earlier. This lassi is here for you to enjoy. Grab a straw, sip away, and enjoy the warmer months as they are coming. I cannot wait. I'll see you on the next one.